Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain the Bigbasket app review to see with what's using. So in this video, we're going to quickly dive into the Bigbasket app to help you decide if this mobile app can be a game changer for you. So let's dive into it. The Bigbasket app makes grocery shopping effortless with a wide range of varieties of products, quick delivery slot, and easy reordering options. It's a great choice for busy users who want fresh produce and household items delivered straight to their doorstep. However, the occasional delay and the out of stock items can be very annoying and frustrating, especially for some shoppers. So in conclusion, the app is still worth using in terms of the reliability and a convenient when it comes to shopping grocery app, and the save times and the simplifies weekly shopping makes it essential. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.